Good evening, everyone. This is Trey from Midwest Day Trips. Today we're at Lake Carlyle, Illinois, checking out an amazing arrangement of lights. So, after reading all of the glowing reviews that this place had, we just had to check this place out. This is so trippy. Right now, I feel like I'm in Alice in Wonderland or something. On a related note, I did want to point out that on the way here, we saw all sorts of cool Christmas lights on people's houses. I definitely recommend coming out to Lake Carlyle and checking it out for the holiday lights. And now we're going to check out the drive-through part. And that's going to about do it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check back all the time for new content. Take care.